Hi video shooters and scuba shooters, it's Baron here. If you're looking for a specialized underwater video torch with the sole purpose of lighting up your dive videos, the OrcaTorch D910V is the right torch for you. It has a super bright 5000 lumens wide angle light beam. Let's shoot some underwater videos. Follow me into the blue wonderland with the D910V. That was a challenging dive with surge and slightly strong undertow. The fighting lionfish and all the underwater footage you saw was filmed with my Sony RX100 Mark V with lighting provided by the OrcaTorch D910V. Before we see the unboxing, let me just tell you, the 5000 lumens on the D910V is really powerful and more than enough for macro shots and small marine life. I'll also be showing you the differences between using an underwater video light and not using one. And you'll be wondering how you manage to do without it. It's unboxing time! Here's what you get. There's the nice carry case. Inside is the D910V. We've got the ball joint mount, the charger with a magnetic head, AC adapter, power cable, spare O-rings, an extra color band, mounting screws, hex wrench, product catalog, warranty card, and user guide. This is a specialized light for underwater video shooting, as evident by the massive LED and wide-angle light dispersion. OrcaTorch made the D910V very easy to use. There are no batteries to remove for charging. Just plug in the charger and just tag on the magnetic charging head onto the light itself, and the juice starts flowing. That's because the D910V and battery pack, they're one. First time out of the box, detach the light from the power pack and remove a thin film covering the battery contacts. Be sure the battery pack is screwed on securely to the torch before each dive. Here's how I'll attach the ball joint mount with the hex wrench, and then it's ready to be mounted onto my underwater camera rig. Let's have a look at the titanium switch. There's 3 levels of brightness. The first press gives us a powerful 5000 lumens. On the second press, we get 2000 lumens. And the third press drops the intensity down to 500 lumens. Then, the fourth press powers down the light. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge my D910V. With that one charge, I get about 50 minutes on its highest brightness level at 5000 lumens. The AC adapter's indicator LED is red when it's charging the power pack. Once the power pack is fully charged, the indicator turns green. The D910V's LED indicator flashes red when the battery level is getting low. Once there's sufficient power, the LED lights up green. Now, it's time to see how big a difference the D910V makes for underwater videos. It's not a good idea to shoot without lights because the deeper you go, you lose certain colors like yellow, orange, and red. Without lights, you'll be getting greenish looking videos, and what you'll be shooting eventually is a dark blue film. The D910V is a very bright light. It's made especially for underwater videography with its wide angle beam. At 5000 lumens, it may be overpowering at shallower depths of 10 to 15 meters, but then you have 3 brightness levels. On a full charge, I did 3 dives back to back and I still haven't exhausted the battery. The battery is integrated into the light, and with the magnetic charging head, it's so easy to recharge the battery. If you're an underwater videographer or photographer, you'll find the OrcaTorch D910V to be an invaluable video gear. OrcaTorch team, Great work on the D910V. You read our minds. Video shooters and scuba shooters, support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and liking our videos. I wish you a fun and safe dive. So, gear up, go out there and shoot it great!